Hey, what's going on, guys? Jeff from AGL Tech, and time for some more tech news. But before we start all the tech news, I'm going to talk about what's behind me. So, my setup, you might notice, it looks a lot different. Well, because I added a second monitor. Because, you know how I'm making 3 videos now? Well, hopefully this second monitor right here, that I can just pull tabs to and make my... Because I find myself going to Google and all my files, and it takes just a lot of time and trying to remember which tab is, like, Premiere. This could be, like, where I search and find all my files, and then this could be like just my main editing where I look at and edit videos. So this should help a lot with making videos and hopefully bring you guys some better videos. I'm really hoping that.
All they do is pretend, won't keep it real cause they never did. Talk about life they never lived, talk about stripes they never get. Looking for the right one to let them in.
So I hope you guys like that new intro. I just made it. So mesh routers like Eero, Orbi, and then also Google Wi-Fi, they've been getting all the hype now, but all of a sudden now Asus, they're doing some nice thing with their routers, because having to go out and buy a new router is going to be a pain and it costs a lot of money. So what they're doing is they're going to make it so some of their routers can turn into mesh Wi-Fi. So it'll be nice, and it could even save you some money, guys. I mean, think about it, more money, because everything's getting expensive nowadays. And some of these routers are including Asus RTAC68U, RTAC1900P, RTAC5300, and the ROG Rapture GTAC5300. So hopefully this will bring a cheaper value to set up a nice mesh Wi-Fi. So Android, it got a little bit more creepy. They're listening through your microphone on your phone and trying to listen to what you're watching, not what you speak, which is really surprising, but I'm sure they can probably hear that too. They probably don't focus on that, but I think it's a little creepy. And some apps on Google Play Store have been already doing this. There's detected 250 that are doing this already. It's from a company known as Alphasono. Most of their apps have a disclosure in the end under the read more button. So if you don't really like this idea or don't want them to listen to you, and you're downloading an app off the Google Play Store, you probably want to go and look through and see if it is recording what you listen to, what you're watching, what you say, because this is getting a whole lot more serious, and it's kind of creepy how far tech is going, but it's also really nice. It's just some parts are a little bit too much, like invading privacy. So finally, a month later, after Apple promised to discount some battery replacements, because you know how they've been slowing down your clock speed of your CPU with the updates? Well, they're offering a discount replacement. Battery replacement will cost you $29. So if you're wanting a battery replacement, you might want to go and look at it, because if your phone has been slowed down because of the updates, they're willing to replace it for $29. I mean, that's a pretty good deal. And then you get a brand new battery. Apple has now confirmed back rumors that it will be replaced batteries on the iPhone 6 or later, regardless of whether or not a diagnostic test shows that the battery remains less than 80% of its original capacity. Also, if there's another damage, like if the battery's already damaged, then they're not going to give you this discount. They're just going to say, oh, it sucks to be you, now you're going to have to pay this much for it. So, you know what, Apple, it's probably going to be expensive. So, fingers crossed you can get that discount if your phone slowed down because of it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, or you like this video and you haven't yet, smash the subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification so you can see when I upload my next video. I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And then also like this video, please. And hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one.